Welcome. This is how to send Outlook calendar invite. So, guys, first thing is just simply go ahead and open up your Outlook software. Now, over here, just make sure you are in home. Now, here on the home tab of your email, you will have your new email. So, guys, you're not gonna do that. You have to select this arrow over here, pointing downward on the top left corner, as you can see, and you will have a drop down over here. And good thing about this feature that it has an appointment feature. So click on it. Guys, this will be integrated into your calendar. And of course, here, provide the title of your meeting. And after that, guys, you could just simply go ahead and provide the start time, the end time, and from here, if you want to be more specific, you could make reoccurring, but this is for advanced users. So this is based on your personal preferences. And now provide the location, which is the link of your meeting. And after that, you could just simply provide a message and you could invite over here some people. And after that, you could provide their email over here. And that's simply about it. Just simply fill up all of the necessary information needed. And there you go. I hope this video helped you understand more. Thanks for watching.